Okay, the problem is number 18 on WebAssign. It involves a 3-kilogram bag of groceries, and it's at an incline at 17 degrees. We need to find the normal force that's acting on the bag. Well, since this is on an incline, it makes this problem just a little bit more challenging, because what we have to do is realize that this bag is on an incline. So in terms of forces, we have a downward force, which is force of gravity, but our normal, remember, is going to be perpendicular to that surface. So we sort of have to break up into our f of g into components. So it would look something like this. Here's my f of n. And then with this surface, this is we're going to call it f of gy, f of gx, and here's my f of g. So to figure out f of g, we know that we have to take the mass times acceleration, or strength of gravity, and we get a value of negative 29.4 newtons. So that f of g is 29.4 newtons. Well, because this object is not going up or down, the net force of that would be 0, that the negative f of gy is equal to the f of n in a positive. So let's solve for this. This angle, as we talked about in class, is, since this is 17 degrees, this is also 17 degrees. So to solve for that angle, I need to take the cosine of 17 degrees is equal to f of gy over my hypotenuse, which is at force of gravity. So f of gy ends up being 28.1 newtons, which f of gy is equal and opposite to Fn. So my f of n is positive 28.1. This would be the negative, this is a positive. So my answer is right there.